today we are here at IKEA for At Home with the Life Sciences. We've got over 100 researchers from the College of Medical, Veterinary and Life Sciences here to talk to the public today about their research. At Glasgow University, we are doing research that benefits both human and animal health, both here in Glasgow and across the globe. And what we're really hoping is that we can interact with lots of different members of the public that don't normally come and talk to scientists.
We've chosen to come to IKEA today largely because most of the public engagement events we do, or many of the ones we do, are where people come to us, so to the university or to science festivals or whatever. And that's very valuable to us, but it's generally people that are already interested. What we're hoping to do today here at IKEA is capture people and engage with people that we wouldn't normally see at those kind of events, and really get across to them what it is that the University of Glasgow is doing.
Sometimes the university can look a little bit distant, so it's good that, things can be explained, like what the scientists are doing. So it's not just like a crazy stuff, but actually things that can help people.
Our research looks at atherosclerosis, which is important in the development of heart disease. A lot of the research is publicly funded through charities or through the government, and so it's important that people understand where that money's going and what we're trying to do.
There are several areas of research that the university has a lot of impact with. This will include things like precision medicine, chronic disease, research in cancer, biodiversity, public health, and we have also groups doing fundamental cell biology. And for the public to see what we're contributing to that in a kind of world-class level is really important for us.
Anytime you talk about heart disease, obviously, especially in this part of the world, people always know someone that's been affected by heart disease. That's another reason why it's important to do this, because people care a lot.
I think it's great to ensure that the public see what we're doing as an institution, but also hopefully to make them think a little bit about the research that we do and the findings that we bring to the environment can change the way that they live their lives in terms of making healthy choices.
So today we've brought along our ultrasound machine so that we can look at hand anatomy, and we can look at the basic components that make up your hand, and then we can chat about how these components might change if you've got a disease like rheumatoid arthritis or psoriatic arthritis. The response has been really good today. We've had a lot of people very interested in the research that we're doing, and they really want to know about why we want to take this message out to the public.
It's quite important to inform the public about different technologies that are available, and I think it just promotes knowledge in the whole community.